earnings that has come in, and that's for Bajaj Auto, which has already put out a healthy set of numbers for the third quarter. Revenue came in at 12,113 crore rupees versus 9,315 crore rupees in the same period last year. Largely an in-line set of numbers with analyst expectations. Meanwhile, the profit has jumped to 2,041 crore rupees from 1,491 crore rupees. And on the other hand, the EBITDA has jumped nearly 37% to 2,400 crore rupees in this quarter. And well, we are joined by Aditya Welkar, who is the senior research analyst from Axis Securities, to weigh in on the numbers posted by Bajaj Auto. Aditya, welcome to ET Now.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so the numbers looks.
Reading of the number for the first, report of the numbers, it's largely in line set of numbers, meeting the analyst expectations. What is your take?
Yeah, the top line is largely in line, but on the margins, there is a slight bit. We were expecting a 19.4% EBITDA margin. The company has surpassed that 20.1%. That's an impressive set of performance on the cost level. So EBITDA has slightly came ahead of our expectation, a 2% bit. Same is for the PAT. So clearly good performance on cost management. There are other expenses and personal employee expenses as a percentage of sales that has came down sequentially. That has came below our estimates. So that's a better cost performance from the company.
Right, Aditya. We also joined by Abhishek Gashinde, who's the Deputy Vice President Research at Sharekhan by BNP Paribas. Hello, Abhishek. Abhishek, tell us that the results are out, but I want to ask you about the fact that this particular counter has already run up a lot, especially post, the buyback news. Is there more steam left to it?
Yeah, broadly, the numbers were almost in line with our estimates. We were expecting a profit of 2,057 crore. It reported a profit of 2,042 crore. And I think this was the sixth quarter when company has reported EBITDA margin above 19%. So one thing is that the company has established its margin profile close to 20% range. And a number of things are still ahead. You said that about the open offer, but there are still a number of things are coming out in the sense that company is expected to come out with new launches. It has been establishing itself in the EV market segment where it has been gaining market share. Its latest product Triumph, which has been gaining market share in some cities, and as the volume ramp up and the distribution network would expand, we will see further increase in its sales given the kind of momentum we have seen in the premium product wise. So I think that on a stock price per se, although stock is currently trading close to our target price, but we are continuously positive on the mass market players like Hero MotoCorp and the Bajaj Auto, where we are seeing that re-rating things would be possible, given that they are shifting their gears from mere a mass market player to a premium, positioning themselves as a premium, iconic premium player in the domestic market. Side by side, the exports which are somehow bottoming out, and we are expecting that it to improve in the coming quarters on a sequential basis. So considering that, we believe that there is still room left for stock to perform from this levels also.
All right, Aditya and Abhishek, gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us today. We'll let you go on that note.